Well, today is install day. The crew has been here all morning and they just went on lunch. And the old Heil, they took the air handler. I didn't get any pictures of it, but the A coil was just, it was rusted out, filthy. This unit was done for. There's all the controls and everything. And then here's the new unit, Tempstar, little old tiny thing. And it has a LG scroll in it. I'm gonna have a 10-year labor warranty on this too. And getting ready to braze it up, or they already have. This company I have putting it in, they don't mess around. This is a N4H4 360. Here's all the info, serial number blurred out. Engineered in the USA, made in Mexico. Well, it's brand new. Carrier, Gentech fan motor. It's all nice and shiny and new. LG scroll. The same unit. This one's a little bit smaller than the old 3-ton Heil, which had a damaged Copeland scroll. Yep. Anyways, I'll do some more videos on it soon. There's torches, gauge, and the box the condenser came in. Anyways, I'm back to work. See you on the next one. Bye for now.